Hello, my name is Momo Omotosho, and today I'm going to be teaching some algebra. And the topic for this, demonstration is solving equations. Solving equations. And what that basically is that we have an equation which is by definition, expression separated by an equal sign. So 2 equals 2 is an equation which is true. And 2 equals 3 would be an equation that's false. So that's one equation. It's just, something like two ideas separated by an equal sign. But solving equations is where we have a variable in an equation, and we want to find the value for that variable which makes the equation true. So we're going to be mainly thinking about when we have true equality rather than a false one. So let's jump right into an example then. Let's say we have the equation 2x is equal to, let's do this. Let's say we have the equation 2 plus 3x is equal to 4 plus 5x. So we're going to be using ideas from something I talked about before, which was collecting like variables or combining like variables. And remember how we did that is just very simply almost like just adding two normal numbers together. For example, if we had 2x plus 3x, it could just be equal to 5x. But as you can see here in this equation, three are like variables, which are 3x and 5x, are on different sides of the equality or the equal sign. So what we're going to need to do is rearrange the equation a bit. And the way we do this is that you can do either way. We can either try to bring the 5x to this side, or we could try to bring the 3x to this side. Either way works fine. What I'm going to do is I want to bring this 3x to this side. And the way I do that is I see, okay, on this left side, I have a plus 3x. So in order for me to get rid of this plus 3x on this side, I'm going to have to subtract 3x from the left side of the equation. And in algebra, whatever we do on one side of the equation, we do the other side to the equation. So that means I'm also going to be subtracting 3x from the right side too. So if I do that, we have 2 plus 3x minus 3x. If we're combining like terms, 3x minus 3x gives us 0x, or just 0. So we have 2 equals 4 plus, and we have 5x minus 3x, and that gives us 2x. So we have 4 positive 2x on the right side. And we keep doing this for any other like terms that we see. And for example, we have 2 and 4, which are like terms, because what 2 really is and what 4 really is 2 times x to the power of 0. As a side note. But I guess if we're dealing with normal numbers, then we know that they are like terms. So any integer, any fraction, they are considered like terms in algebra. So just like what we did for the x's, or the terms with x's, we're going to do for the integers 2 and 4. So I'm going to want to bring a 4 to the left side. And the way I do that, since we have a positive 4 on the right side, we just subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. So here we're going to do minus 4, minus 4. So we have 2 minus 4, which is 2, or negative 2, sorry. And then we have 4 minus 4, which is 0, plus 2x. So then we're left with this equality, negative 2 equals 2x. And finally, once you've kind of collected all your like terms, it's very good practice to leave a variable by itself without any coefficients. So in order for us to get rid of this coefficient, we're going to want to divide both sides by 2, since we have a coefficient of 2 in front of the x. So if we divide both sides by 2, on the right side we have 2x divided by 2, which is equal to x. And on the left side, we have negative 2 divided by 2, which equals to negative 1. So that means we have that x equals negative 1 to be the solution to this equation. And remember what I said at the beginning, we're trying to find values for variables that make true equalities and not false ones. So we can actually just go back and check. If we substitute negative 1 in for x, do we get a true equation? So let's see that over here. That's right. So again, we have 2, sorry, not 2x. We have 2 plus 3x equals 4 plus 5x. And we said that we think that the solution to this equation is when we plug negative 1 in for x. So let's try that. We have 2, sorry, let's do this. We have 2 plus 3 times, and we said x was negative 1, equals 4 plus 5 times negative 1. PEMDAS, we have 2 plus 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, equals 4 plus 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. So we have 2 plus negative 3, or 2 minus 3, which is negative 1. And we have 4 plus negative 5, or 4 minus 5, which is also negative 1. And see, this is a true equality. Negative 1 does indeed equal negative 1. So that means the solution to this equation was indeed x equals negative 1. So yeah, that is solving equations. I hope you guys found this video useful. And again, I'll be making more videos like this in the future, so please watch them. And thank you for watching this one. See you guys later.